In this video, you will learn why do you need to manage money. We will reveal the secret of the most important and first step to money management. We will show you how to set and plan goals correctly. And you will also learn how to start investing now, in which instruments, and of course, how to get the first profit. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to the channel, and here we go. Chapter 1. Why manage money? Money management plays a key role in everyone's life, and this has many important reasons. 1. Financial security. Effective money management allows you to create a financial safety cushion. This means that you always have funds to cover unexpected expenses such as medical bills, car repairs, or job loss. 2. Goal realization. Money management helps you realize your financial goals. Without planning and controlling your spending, you may lose money on unnecessary things and fail to achieve your dreams. 3. Financial independence. Effective money management helps you accumulate wealth and achieve financial independence. It gives you the freedom of choice and the ability to do what you like without financial constraints. So money management is of utmost importance for your financial stability, security, and ability to achieve your life goals. It helps you control your financial destiny and create a brighter financial future. Chapter 2. Step 1. Forming financial goals. Forming financial goals is the first and important step toward effective money management and achieving financial well-being. Here's how you can get started. 1. Define your values. First of all, think about what you really care about in life. This could be education, family, traveling, health, etc. Your financial goals should align with your values. 2. Be specific. Make your financial goals as specific as possible. For example, not just I want to earn more, but I want to increase my income by 20% in the next year. This will help you clearly define what you are aiming for. 3. Set deadlines. Every financial goal needs a deadline. This creates pressure and motivation for action. For example, save $10,000 for a trip to Europe by next summer. By forming clear financial goals and developing a plan to achieve them, you will have a clear direction for managing your money and will be more motivated to work towards financial wellness. Chapter 3. Budgeting and planning. Budgeting and financial planning are key money management tools that will help you reach your financial goals and ensure financial stability. Here's how to get started. 1. Make a budget. Determine your income. Take into account all sources of your income, including your salary, supplemental income, investments, and more. Account for expenses. Categorize your expenses, including housing, food, transportation, healthcare, entertainment, and others. Track your expenses. 2. Set financial goals. Determine what you want to spend your money on. 3. Make a plan of action. Develop a strategy to achieve your financial goals. 4. Maintain discipline. Stick to your budget and action plan. 5. Invest and save. Consider investing in securities, real estate, or other assets to increase your wealth in the long run. Budgeting and financial planning help you make informed financial decisions and build a strong financial future. They are tools that can help you achieve your dreams and ensure financial stability. Chapter 4. Investing and passive income. Investing and creating passive income are important aspects of managing your money to achieve financial independence and get rich. Here's how you can get started. 1. Learn the basics of investing. Before you start investing, take the time to learn the basic principles of investing. 2. Set financial goals for investing. Determine how long you plan to invest for and what goal you want to achieve. 3. Select appropriate investments. Consider different types of assets such as stocks, bonds, real estate, investment funds, and others. 4. Create an investment plan. Develop an investment strategy that includes asset selection, asset allocation in the portfolio, investment timing, and long-term capital growth strategy. 5. Invest regularly. Start investing regularly, even if it's small amounts. 6. Manage risk. Realize that investing always involves risks. 7. Look for sources of passive income. Passive income is money that comes to you without your active participation. 8. Reinvest profits. When you start earning passive income, consider reinvesting those profits. 9. Improve yourself in investing. Continually educate yourself and grow in the field of investing. Investing and creating passive income take time and effort, but they can be powerful tools to achieve your financial goals and ensure financial stability in the future. Summarizing. To summarize, let's take a look at the key points and important lessons we've learned. 1. Financial literacy is your best tool. Understanding financial principles and money management skills is the foundation for successful financial management. Learning and self-development in this area is your investment in your future. 2. Formulating goals is the first step to success. Set clear and specific financial goals. This gives you direction and motivation for action. 3. Budgeting is a control tool. Budgeting helps you track your income and expenses. It allows you to plan your finances and manage them more effectively. 4. Investing, capital growth. Investing in a variety of assets allows your money to grow over time. Having a variety of investments and a long-term perspective helps reduce risk. So, how to manage your money to get rich requires understanding, planning, patience, and self-discipline. Your financial decisions today can have a significant impact on your future. By following these principles and learning from your experiences, you can move toward financial independence and achieving your life goals.